Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petruska Papers. I'm out of the Bluebird Bungalow this morning, and I have a walkthrough of a journal that I've just completed. This is for a granddaughter. I had at one time thought I would do a tutorial, and it just got way too long, so it's just going to be a walkthrough. And I'll talk a little bit about some of the processes as we go through. But first of all, welcome. If you are new to my channel, I appreciate you stopping by. If you are one of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much. If you find what I do interesting, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell so that you can be notified whenever I come out to the Bluebird Bungalow to create. So, this is a junk journal that I've created for my granddaughter. I have used a digital from my Porch prints, and it's called Fairy Magic. I printed out the full kit, and then also she has like an additional ephemera, and I'm not going to be sure which is which, but you can find her on Etsy, My Porch Prints. She has beautiful kits. In fact, hers were probably some of the first digital kits that I downloaded when I first got struck or bit by the junk journal habit. We're going to call it a habit. And I am going to start with the cover. So the cover is a reclaimed, I think it was a Dollar Tree book. I wanted it a little bit larger, and it's got, what does it have? I think that's about a 2-inch spine, and it is almost, not quite, it's about 9 3/4 inches. And I've got a little clipped on tassel for her. She can keep it on or not. And then I've got a few little pockets on the front with the digital kit. This is a napkin. So I first Mod Podged on music paper and then put the napkin pardon me, over it. This is some faux leather that I did, and there's the back. I had the ribbon come all the way through so that it would be attached and not flop around. Up here I put a little piece of lace on the binding, on the spine. That's the word. All right, let's open this up. And it got very chunky very fast, and I feel bad. You should be, when you receive the journal, you should be the one who gets to chunk it up. So, but Grandma chunked it up for her. Okay, so in here, this is a hidden spine, and I used fabric that is lined with a piece of, I think it's just heavy cardstock, and I've sewn the signatures. Let me see if I can show you. I've sewn them right into that and then glued that down. And then I've got more of the music paper as the end. I don't know if that's the end papers or the lining papers. We have a pocket here, and I've written her a letter for her birthday. Got a long tag here. And this fabric is all repurposed from the thrift store. And I've got lots of little tuck spots and little collages. The paper is so beautiful. This is an envelope. Let me see if I can find the other side of it. So here's the envelope. You can see this is that I Mod Podged it onto an envelope. And so on this side, we have a tuck. And then when it's sewn in, it has this side that is a larger part of the envelope. And this one I did fold over the edge of the music so it'd be stronger, and made another pocket. And I took some offcuts of the decoupage napkin, the Mod Podge napkin, and made a pocket. And this is cute. This is a little trifold. She's got lots of space to journal. And just cute, pretty things. This is a pocket that I made from the Mod Podged napkin. Put a real leaf in there. I created from the kit of ephemera, there's little postage stamps, so I made some hidden paper clips so that we can tuck the things in throughout. And here's a little envelope that's part of the kit. I did some, I don't know how to say her name, Sasibo, S-A-A-C-I-B-O. She did a video on running leaves through your Sizzix Big Shot, and they just turned out so perfect that I've included a few in here. These were some Dollar Tree stickers. They're Ray stickers, and I think they may be the culprit that's making this so bulky. There's another tuck. Some more tucks. Here's the envelope in that middle signature. And cute little dragon. I love this dress, and that was from those pop-up stickers. And there's a tag that I did with Mod Podging on the napkin. That needs to have a hole in it, doesn't it? And here's another leaf. I'm going to warn you, it becomes addictive if you try it. I'll link her video below. And this was a zinnia that I pressed, and it had so much color, it just kind of went pew. But I thought it was very pretty, and it's the right color. So in it goes. Some cute pieces. This cute little envelope. I just tucked a little piece of avocado dyed paper in so that she can write a little note. I've left this open on the top and the side so that if she wants, she can put a picture in there. And this is a big tuck. This is an envelope that or a side tuck that I made. No, it is an envelope with a tuck. This is a shiny book page that I ran through my Sizzix with a texture plate or an embossing plate and then sanded off. And it's just so pretty. I really like it. And I think that I did a video. If I can find it, I'll link it below, because it's a good way to use up some of those shiny papers. This is just a little journal booklet card. I did add a wax seal. Here's another. This is a index card. I did a little bit of decoupaging pieces of the napkin onto. There's the other There's another napkin, another envelope. Got a little packet of goodies for her. And there's another one of the little clips I did. And it seems like, and I'll link it below. You're going to have a lot of links. But I think it was little Christmas houses where you can make, you just fold the paper and then you can glue on whatever you want to make it into your hidden paper clip. And that. And so she's got 3 signatures. There's another one of those. I took, this is a coin. This is oh boy, I can see my glue. I'm not happy about that. This is a coin protector. So I put a little dried hydrangea, since there's hydrangeas all through. And unfortunately my glue did not get cleaned off very well, but that's going to go here. This is one of the corners from the junk in the trunk. I think that's what it is. All the ephemera that seemed to go nicely there. Here's a cute little envelope. And more goodies. There's another pocket for her to put goodies in. And this is another one of the pieces from the junk in the trunk. And I might just put that in there. And it had I called it a page wraparound. I think that's what I called it. Because you have this pocket and that pocket, and then it wraps around the page. And then that pocket and that pocket. So you get a lot of real estate from that. More pockets. This was, I think it was my hibiscus dyed. Last year it turned everything green. This year it did not do the same thing, so I'm not quite sure what the magic was last year. And this is a hanky that I scanned. There's a little pocket. And tags for pockets. Pockets in the tags. Lots of fun things. And here on this envelope, I have created a little scrap pad of paper that she can tear out. And it's just hooked in there with one of the hidden paper clips. Oh, this is blueberry leaves that I did. They were kind of red. They were turning color, and I did that, and that's that perfect color. And then there's that. And another pocket on the back. My husband is a pen turner, and so he had turned this pen, which seems to go nicely with this theme. So that's it. And if you have any questions, if I didn't mention something that you saw as it went by, just leave me a comment. I love to answer comments. So if you've got a question or a comment, please leave it below. And we will see you soon. I've got a whole lot of things cooking, so watch out. All right. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.